Greetings, AP Microeconomics students. I am Mr. Johnson, coming to you from my office at Lynn Classical. I am on my office, if we get back to regularly scheduled programming this year, my office is in the third floor teachers room, which is at the end of the A wing for the Social Studies department. And I just want to, I'm coming to you on Friday the 18th, just after 12 o'clock here, and I just wanted to touch base with you before this weekend, as you guys head into your last weekend before school really starts for us. I've been noticing you guys are mostly, as of this morning, all but about 10 of you had already logged into Schoology, so that's great. I hope you are starting to explore Schoology and all its options. I have, if you come to your microeconomics course in Schoology, I've given you access to our course info. It's right here. These folders here, that's my view, so these are unpublished. A few things I added in here. You got my contact information, so if you guys need me, again, I will also go over all of this when I see you on Tuesday. My contact info's in here. You can, if you need to get in touch with me, and some of you have already, send me a Schoology message. Or, if you prefer, email me at my Lynn Public Schools, johnsonc@lynnschools.org. You can also text me at my Google Voice number, which is 781-346-9509. Please, for any texts, no text after 8 o'clock. I'm a pumpkin, so 8 o'clock I'll be most likely putting my 4-year-old and my 8-year-old to bed. Remember, if you text or email me, the expectation is that you are saying, hey, Mr. Johnson, it's Jimmy from your AP Micro class. And same thing for text as well, okay? So, make sure you have professional language in any school-related text or email that you send, and that's for my course or any course for that matter. Those of you who have checked out our micro page in Schoology, you'll find these are links to our classes, so you'll always be able to find our Zoom links. This is a video on how to navigate our course. You got the syllabus, got some exam info, and our textbook. We're going to be using an OpenStax textbook, which is housed there. You can peruse the whole thing if you want. And then our remote class schedule and frequently asked questions can be found there as well. I just wanted to talk to you today to let you know that I'm going to see you guys on Tuesday. We're going to meet A period for 30 minutes starting the day, I think 8 to 8:30, and then 8:35 to 9:05 I'll be meeting with B period. I will be sending that Zoom link out on both Jupiter and through Schoology. So I will be messaging you in two ways. I'll be trying to start those right away. We'll kind of go over our basics of our course, look at our syllabus a little bit. I'm going to give you one little assignment to do before I see you for a full class on Wednesday. And we'll be kicking it off then. So I imagine we'll have some technical difficulties, especially next week as we figure out this whole system. I'm excited, frankly, for Schoology. I think it's an excellent learning management system. And I think we have the tools in place to have a really successful AP course. And I think we can all be getting at least a 3 on our AP micro exam. And, I hope we can see a lot of 4s and 5s as well. So feel free to reach out in any of those ways I have shown you, either email, Schoology, or drop me a text. I will, and keep a lookout for Zoom invite for either for Tuesday morning. And really looking forward to seeing you guys. Have a great last weekend before school starts. Thanks so much. Be safe this weekend. Thanks, guys.